What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2011 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one short and sweet. I'll catch you guys in the outro. Enjoy. Thank you. Once again guys, thanks for joining me for another episode here on my channel for my business Clean Machine. I'm going to again be starting off today with our 2011 Toyota Highlander. Big things we're going to start with now is getting the rinsing process done. So we're going to get the big stuff off, the salt and the road grime. We're almost into spring here, so we're starting to get some of the details and getting this season kicked off right. It's been a long winter. We finally got some nice weather here in March, a little bit unseasonably warm. It's about 42 degrees today. Finally able to get outside and get something done. Felt pretty good. As always, if you see something you like in the video, everything that I'm using should be posted in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get it for yourself. Trying out a new wheel cleaner for you guys by a company called Ethos. This product starts out green and then it turns purple, so in this spot didn't really get the results I was looking for. Ended up doing a few other wheels and I could finally see everything turn to purple with the brake dust, so I'll be making sure to get that better in the next video. Okay, we're going to start moving into the 2-bucket process. Before that, I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick pre-rinse. So I do this on every vehicle, not touching anything yet. Again, just going all the way around, trying to get all the big stuff off, and then we'll move into the 2-bucket method. first pre-rinse I like to get around and get all the hard to reach places. So the gas cap, all the emblems, the glass jams as well, with a detailed boar's head brush. So if you're looking for that, again, it'll be in the description below. Common question I get is, what do I charge and what are my prices? So to make that easy for you, just go to my Facebook page, Clean Machine. You can check out my pricing there and I can break it down for you. So I can do both exterior and interior and go further from there. So go ahead, check it out. Now that the exterior of the vehicle is clean, we're going to go ahead and start adding protectant. So what I'm spraying on is 303 paint sealant. This is a 6-month protectant. I did a few shots for you guys here to show you exactly what it's doing. It should be beating and sheeting the water off. Immediately after I put it on, I go ahead and spray it off. You guys will see the hood here and then a front fender as well. The beating you guys hear is about to make my life so much easier. With the entire vehicle protected, I just go ahead and grab the drying towel, start moving through the vehicle, making sure I flip it every time it gets too saturated with water. Now that the vehicle is dry, I can go ahead and get into using my clay luber and my clay itself. If you're not quite sure how to use clay or clay lube, please check out one of my other videos and I'll show you how to do that. I've always used chemical-ized clay and clay lube, but in my next video I'll be giving mothers a shot. Moving on to buffing, I'll be using an orange batten wax that is more of a cutting compound. The owner had a few spots in the car that I was able to take care of, as you will see in before and after pictures. machine waxed the entire car, giving it time to turn into a haze, and then using microfiber towels, buff it to a glossy finish. Check out this chrome here at the end. It's in the details. Plastic trim, wheels and tires, and in this case floor mats, really set the vehicle off. I'll be doing a separate video for how to clean WeatherTech or rubber floor mats in the future. Most people make the mistake of making them slippery, and in that case, dangerous. I'm using a no-fling tire shine with the foam applicator pad here. And 5 hours later we're done. There you have it, guys. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you got any questions...
Honey, my wire just broke.
I gotta go.